New study reveals, just 15 minutes in a sauna triggers cellular repair mechanisms comparable to 48 hours of fasting. Introduction. Recent studies have shed light on the remarkable health benefits of sauna bathing, particularly emphasizing its ability to activate cellular repair mechanisms comparable to those triggered by fasting. One of the most striking claims suggests that just 15 minutes in a sauna can initiate these repair processes to a degree similar to 48 hours of fasting. This report compiles key findings from various research studies highlighting the physiological and psychological advantages of regular sauna use. Key findings. 1. Cellular repair and hormesis. Sauna bathing induces a state of whole-body hyperthermia, activating stress response pathways that promote the production of heat shock proteins and enhance antioxidant defenses. These processes help mitigate protein damage and foster cellular repair mechanisms. Similar to fasting, which also triggers stress responses that bolster cellular resilience. Sauna use mimics these beneficial effects. 2. Cardiovascular health. Numerous studies, especially those conducted in Finland, have linked regular sauna use to improved cardiovascular outcomes. Benefits include reduced blood pressure, decreased incidence of cardiovascular diseases, and lower all-cause mortality. A longitudinal study involving over 2,000 middle-aged men indicated that frequent sauna bathing 4 to 7 times per week correlated with a 40% reduction in all-cause mortality and a 66% decrease in dementia risk. 3. Muscle and bone health. Emerging evidence suggests sauna use may enhance muscle and bone health. Research indicates that regular infrared sauna sessions can increase muscle mass and bone mineral density without significant weight changes, implying that heat exposure might stimulate anabolic pathways in muscle tissue. 4. Psychological benefits. Sauna bathing has been associated with improved mental health, including reductions in symptoms of depression and anxiety following sessions. This effect may arise from the physiological stress response induced by heat exposure, which has been shown to enhance mood and overall well-being. 5. Detoxification. Sweating during sauna sessions plays a crucial role in detoxification, facilitating the excretion of heavy metals and other toxins. This aspect is particularly significant for individuals exposed to environmental toxins. Differences between sources. While there is consensus on the cardiovascular and detoxification benefits of sauna use, specific recommendations regarding optimal temperature and duration vary across studies. Some suggest temperatures of 80 to 100 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes, while others advocate for lower temperatures over extended periods, particularly in infrared sauna use. The emphasis on specific health outcomes also differs, with some studies focusing on cardiovascular benefits and others on psychological or metabolic effects. Timeline of events. 2000 to 2017. A systematic review of sauna studies established foundational knowledge regarding the health benefits of sauna bathing. 2015. A pivotal study involving Finnish men linked sauna use to reduced cardiovascular disease and dementia risks, sparking increased interest in sauna research. 2018 present, ongoing investigations continue to explore the physiological mechanisms behind sauna use, focusing on muscle health, detoxification, and mood enhancement. Conclusion. Sauna bathing is increasingly recognized as a valuable intervention for promoting health and longevity. Its ability to replicate the effects of fasting, improve cardiovascular health, support muscle and bone integrity, and enhance psychological well-being positions it as a complementary therapy in modern health practices. Further research is warranted to solidify these findings and establish standardized guidelines for sauna use across various health contexts. Summary of sources. Source 1: Clinical effects of regular dry sauna bathing. This systematic review evaluated 40 clinical studies involving sauna interventions and found potential health benefits, though the authors noted the need for higher quality data on frequency and adverse effects. The review emphasized that sauna bathing induces physiological changes activating stress response pathways and producing heat shock proteins, which have implications for overall health. Source 2, Found My Fitness Overview. Dr. Rhonda Patrick's website discusses various health benefits of sauna use, including its role in enhancing fitness, supporting muscle health, and boosting longevity. The site highlights the importance of sauna use as a therapeutic strategy for conditions like depression and cardiovascular disease. Source 3, Mayo Clinic Proceedings. A comprehensive analysis published in the Mayo Clinic Proceedings highlighted how frequent sauna use is associated with reduced risks of cardiovascular disease, neurocognitive disorders, and all-cause mortality. The findings underscored the need for more research to clarify the optimal conditions for sauna bathing. Final thoughts. The intriguing connection between sauna use and health benefits underscores a promising area for further exploration. As research progresses, it may establish sauna bathing as a simple yet effective lifestyle intervention for enhancing health and well-being across various populations. The study you referenced presents several counterintuitive findings about sauna use and its health benefits, particularly in comparison to fasting. Here are some notable aspects. 1. Short sauna sessions versus extended fasting. The assertion that just 15 minutes in a sauna can trigger cellular repair mechanisms comparable to 48 hours of fasting challenges conventional beliefs about caloric restriction and metabolic health. Fasting is traditionally viewed as a more rigorous and effective method for inducing autophagy and cellular repair, yet sauna use appears to activate similar biological pathways through heat exposure. 2. Cardiovascular health. The extent of cardiovascular benefits associated with sauna use is surprising. For instance, frequent sauna bathing 4 to 7 times a week is linked to a 40% reduction in all-cause mortality and a 66% decrease in dementia risk. These figures are significant, suggesting that sauna use could be as impactful on longevity as traditional health advice promoting exercise and diet. 3. Muscle and bone health. Another counterintuitive finding is that sauna use can increase muscle mass and bone mineral density without any significant weight changes. This contradicts the common assumption that muscle growth requires intense physical training or resistance exercises. For psychological benefits, the link between sauna use and improved mental health, including reductions in depression and anxiety, is fascinating. The physiological stress response induced by heat exposure, which is often associated with discomfort, instead leads to enhanced mood and well-being. This contradicts the expectation that stress is purely detrimental. 5. Detoxification. While sweating is often touted as a detoxification method, the actual efficacy of sauna-induced sweating in removing heavy metals and other toxins is debated. The study suggests that sweating does facilitate the excretion of certain toxins, which may not be universally accepted in discussions about detoxification methods. 6. Hormetic stress response. The concept that mild stressors like sauna bathing can induce beneficial adaptive responses, hormesis, is notable. This principle usually applies more to exercise. However, the findings suggest that heat exposure can also trigger similar protective mechanisms in the body, which may seem counterintuitive to those who view stress primarily as a negative force. 7. Adverse effects reporting. The report indicates that while sauna use is generally safe, some adverse effects were noted, primarily mild heat discomfort. This contrasts with the extensive benefits associated with regular sauna bathing, suggesting that the risks may be underestimated compared to the potential health gains. 8. Socioeconomic status and health. The finding that sauna use can mitigate the increased mortality risk associated with low socioeconomic status is especially striking. This suggests that access to sauna bathing could serve as a significant health intervention for disadvantaged populations, which runs counter to the typical narrative that only higher socioeconomic groups have access to health-promoting resources. Overall, these counterintuitive insights challenge traditional perspectives on fasting, exercise, and health interventions, suggesting that sauna bathing may offer a unique combination of benefits that warrant further exploration and integration into health recommendations. The report on the health benefits of sauna bathing notably emphasizes the activation of cellular repair mechanisms comparable to those triggered by fasting. While many of the benefits of sauna use, such as cardiovascular improvements, muscle health enhancement, psychological benefits, and detoxification, are often highlighted, certain significant details are frequently overlooked. Key overlooked insights and their significance. 1. Cellular repair mechanisms. Many individuals may not fully appreciate the depth of the cellular repair processes initiated by sauna use. The report indicates that 15 minutes in a sauna can induce cellular stress responses similar to 48 hours of fasting, primarily through the production of heat shock proteins HSPs and activation of antioxidant defense systems. This mimicking of fasting highlights a potential therapeutic avenue for individuals unable to fast for extended periods due to health constraints. The significance lies in the potential for sauna therapy to provide similar protective effects against cellular damage, which could be crucial for aging populations or those with metabolic disorders. 2. Cardiovascular health and mortality reduction. The report details a striking correlation between frequent sauna use and reduced risks of cardiovascular disease and all-cause mortality, particularly within Finnish populations. Specifically, those using saunas 4 to 7 times a week experienced a 40% reduction in all-cause mortality and a 66% decrease in dementia risk. These statistics are often underappreciated in discussions about preventative health strategies. The implications of such findings suggest that sauna bathing could serve as a vital component of lifestyle interventions aimed at enhancing longevity and preventing age-related diseases, especially in populations at risk. 3. Muscle and bone health. Emerging evidence that sauna use can improve muscle mass and bone mineral density is often overshadowed by the more commonly discussed cardiovascular benefits. This detail is significant as it suggests that sauna therapy may enhance anabolic pathways, potentially offering a non-pharmaceutical approach to counteract age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, and osteoporosis. This could have particular relevance for older adults or individuals with limited mobility who cannot engage in regular resistance training. 4. Psychological advantages. While the psychological benefits of sauna use, such as reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety, are mentioned, the mechanisms underlying these effects deserve more attention. The report cites physiological stress responses induced by heat exposure that may lead to improved mood and well-being. Understanding these mechanisms could open doors to non-pharmaceutical treatments for mood disorders, particularly in the context of rising mental health issues globally. 5. Detoxification through sweating. The role of sweating in detoxification, particularly the excretion of heavy metals and other toxins, is often taken lightly. Given the increasing concern about environmental toxins and their health implications, the ability of sauna use to facilitate the removal of harmful substances can be a significant health benefit. This aspect may not only appeal to individuals seeking detoxification strategies but also to health professionals looking for adjunct therapies in treating toxin-related health issues. 6. Hormetic stress response. The concept of hormesis, where a low dose of a stressor like heat can have beneficial effects, is central to understanding sauna benefits but is often overlooked. The report emphasizes that sauna bathing can condition the body for future stressors, akin to how exercise promotes resilience. This perspective is crucial for developing comprehensive health strategies that incorporate stress exposure as a means to enhance overall health and longevity. 7. Cohort studies and specific populations. The report's reliance on studies primarily from Finnish populations may lead to a misunderstanding of sauna applicability across diverse populations. The unique cultural and environmental factors influencing sauna use in Finland might not translate directly to other settings, which can lead to skepticism regarding the generalizability of the findings. Addressing this could prompt further research into how sauna use impacts different demographics globally. 8. Safety and adverse effects. Although the report mentions mild side effects associated with sauna use, it is crucial to consider the populations that may be at risk, such as individuals with certain cardiovascular conditions. The discussion on the safety of sauna use, especially for vulnerable populations, may need to be more pronounced to ensure that sauna therapy is recommended judiciously. 9. Synergy with exercise. The report suggests that combining sauna use with physical activity can have enhanced benefits such as improved cardiovascular fitness and metabolic health. This synergy underscores the importance of integrating sauna sessions into exercise regimens for maximizing health benefits, a point that could be emphasized more strongly in fitness and health discussions. Conclusion. In summary, while the report comprehensively covers the benefits of sauna bathing, the insights regarding cellular repair mechanisms, specific health outcomes, psychological advantages, and detoxification effects are pivotal yet often underappreciated. Recognizing these overlooked aspects can significantly influence public health recommendations and personal health strategies, promoting sauna use as an accessible, effective intervention for a wide range of health issues. Further research and awareness can enhance understanding and utilization of sauna therapy, ensuring it is integrated into holistic health practices effectively. 1. Cellular repair mechanisms in hormesis. The study highlights that sauna bathing induces a state of whole-body hyperthermia, activating stress response pathways similar to those triggered during fasting. This process promotes the production of heat shock proteins and enhances antioxidant defenses, which can mitigate protein damage and enhance cellular repair mechanisms. This hormonal and metabolic response is akin to the adaptations seen during fasting, suggesting that short sessions in a sauna may provide some of the same cellular resilience benefits as longer fasting periods. 2. Cardiovascular health improvements. Regular sauna use is strongly associated with improved cardiovascular outcomes. Research indicates that frequent sauna bathing can lead to significant reductions in all-cause mortality, cardiovascular diseases, and dementia risk. Notably, studies from Finland have shown that participants who use the sauna 4 to 7 times a week have a 40% lower risk of all-cause mortality and a 66% lower risk of developing dementia compared to those who use it less frequently. This emphasizes the sauna's potential as a preventive health measure. 3. Muscle and bone health. Emerging evidence suggests that sauna use may enhance muscle and bone health. Studies indicate that regular use of infrared saunas can increase bone mineral density and muscle mass without significant changes in body weight. This effect may be attributed to heat exposure stimulating anabolic pathways in muscle tissue, suggesting that sauna bathing could be a complementary therapy to traditional strength training, especially for those unable to engage in regular physical exercise. 4. Psychological benefits and mood enhancement. Sauna bathing has been linked to significant psychological benefits, including reductions in symptoms of depression and anxiety. The physiological stress response induced by heat exposure is believed to improve overall mood and well-being. This effect may be mediated by the release of endorphins and the relaxation experienced during sauna sessions, highlighting the sauna's role in enhancing mental health alongside physical health benefits. These 4 points serve as a comprehensive overview of sauna bathing's multifaceted health benefits, from cellular repair and cardiovascular health to muscle integrity and psychological well-being, warranting further exploration and standardization in health protocols. Here are 3 famous historical cases that are somewhat analogous to the findings regarding sauna use and its health benefits, particularly in relation to cellular repair mechanisms. 1. The discovery of fasting and its health benefits. The ancient practice of fasting has been documented for centuries, with roots in various cultures and religions. Early medical texts, including those from Hippocrates, highlighted fasting as a means to treat various ailments. More recent studies have shown that fasting triggers autophagy, a cellular repair process that removes damaged components, similar to the findings regarding sauna use, stimulating cellular repair mechanisms. The resurgence of interest in intermittent fasting in modern nutrition science has led to insights about its potential to enhance metabolic health, reduce inflammation, and improve longevity, paralleling the recent findings about sauna exposure mimicking some of the cellular benefits of fasting. 2. The role of hyperthermia in cancer treatment. The use of hyperthermia as a cancer treatment dates back to ancient Egypt, where heat was applied to tumors. In the 20th century, more systematic studies began to investigate the effects of heat on cancer cells. Research has shown that hyperthermia can enhance the effectiveness of certain cancer therapies, promoting tumor cell death and reducing tumor size. This is akin to how sauna use induces a state of hyperthermia that activates heat shock proteins and other cellular repair mechanisms. The therapeutic application of heat in oncology has evolved into a sophisticated adjunct treatment highlighting the physiological responses to heat stress. 3. The use of sweat lodges by indigenous peoples. Indigenous cultures, particularly among Native Americans, have long utilized sweat lodges as a form of healing. These structures create a hot, steaming environment that promotes sweating and is believed to detoxify the body, improve circulation, and enhance overall well-being. The physiological effects of sweating in these traditional practices mirror modern findings related to sauna use. Both practices recognize the value of heat exposure in promoting health, improving mood, and aiding in detoxification. Aligning with the contemporary understanding of sauna bathing is beneficial for physical and mental health. These historical cases illustrate the long-standing recognition of heat exposure in fasting's health benefits, providing a context for the modern scientific findings regarding sauna use and its effects on cellular repair and overall health. Future outlook: sauna and health. The recent study indicating that just 15 minutes in a sauna can activate cellular repair mechanisms akin to 48 hours of fasting has significant implications for future research, health protocols, and public health recommendations. As interest in holistic health practices grows, the following predictions can be made regarding the future outlook of sauna usage and its associated health benefits. 1. Increased adoption of sauna therapy. As more studies validate the health benefits of sauna bathing, we can expect a broader acceptance and incorporation of sauna therapy into standard health and wellness practices. This will likely include recommendations from healthcare professionals for individuals at risk of cardiovascular diseases, metabolic disorders, and mental health conditions. Public health campaigns may also promote sauna use as a complementary therapy. 2. Integration with modern health technologies. The rise of wearable health technologies will likely lead to more personalized sauna therapy protocols. Devices that monitor heart rate, body temperature, and sweat composition may enable users to optimize sauna sessions for their specific health goals, such as cardiovascular fitness or detoxification. This integration could be further enhanced by smartphone applications that guide users through sauna sessions based on real-time physiological feedback. 3. Research expansion and mechanistic understanding. Future research will likely delve deeper into the specific mechanisms through which sauna use impacts health. Studies may explore the effects of different sauna types, traditional versus infrared temperatures, and durations on various health outcomes. Investigations into the biochemical pathways activated during sauna use, such as the role of heat shock proteins and other mediators, will provide insights into how heat stress fosters resilience and recovery. 4. Enhanced public awareness on mental health benefits. The psychological benefits of sauna use, including mood enhancement and stress reduction, will gain more attention as mental health becomes a focal point in public discourse. Sauna therapy may be promoted as a non-pharmacological intervention for conditions such as anxiety and depression. This shift could lead to increased accessibility and availability of sauna facilities in community centers and workplaces. 5. Sauna as a preventative health measure. Sauna bathing may be increasingly recognized as a preventative health measure, especially in aging populations. With the evidence suggesting a reduction in dementia and cardiovascular disease risk through regular sauna use, there could be a push for incorporating sauna access in senior living facilities and rehabilitation centers, promoting longevity and quality of life. 6. Focus on detoxification protocols. As awareness of environmental toxins grows, sauna therapy will likely be marketed as a detoxification tool. This will be particularly relevant for individuals exposed to heavy metals and other pollutants. Future studies may substantiate claims regarding the efficacy of sauna use in facilitating the elimination of toxins through sweating, contributing to a growing body of evidence supporting sauna as a detoxification method. 7. Increased interest in combined therapies. The combination of sauna therapy with other health interventions such as exercise, nutritional strategies, and mindfulness practices will likely gain traction. Research indicating synergistic effects of sauna and exercise on cardiovascular health will encourage fitness programs that incorporate sauna use as part of recovery protocols post-exercise, enhancing overall wellness and fitness outcomes. 8. Cultural and global expansion of sauna practices. As sauna bathing is deeply rooted in various cultures such as Finnish and Japanese traditions, there will likely be a resurgence in global sauna practices, leading to a more culturally diverse interpretation of sauna use. This may include the establishment of community sauna spaces that promote social interaction, wellness education, and holistic health practices. 9. Development of standards and guidelines. With the rising popularity and research backing sauna benefits, we can anticipate the development of standardized guidelines for sauna use. These guidelines will address optimal temperatures, session durations, and frequency of use tailored to specific health outcomes. Regulatory bodies could establish best practices to ensure safety and efficacy across different sauna types. 10. Continued exploration of hormetic stress. The concept of hormesis, whereby mild stressors promote resilience, will likely be applied more broadly in health and wellness strategies. Sauna therapy exemplifies this paradigm. Future research may explore how periodic exposure to heat stress can enhance bodily functions, improve recovery, and potentially mitigate the effects of chronic diseases. Conclusion. The future of sauna therapy appears promising, with potential advancements in both scientific understanding and practical application. As research continues to illuminate its myriad benefits, sauna bathing may emerge as a cornerstone of preventive health strategies, influencing both individual health practices and public health policies. The integration of sauna therapy into modern lifestyles could foster a holistic approach to health and wellness, making it an accessible tool for improving quality of life across populations.